Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to uninstall applications installed from Microsoft Store in Windows 10. So let's begin. As you can see, I am using Windows 10 operating system. In Windows 10 operating system, go to Start menu and click on Settings. Open the settings. In Settings, click on Apps. As you can see here, you will get the list of the applications installed. So whichever application you want to uninstall, just click on it. For example, I'll show you. I'm going to uninstall this application. Just click on it and click on uninstall button and then again uninstall. So this might take some time. Using these steps, you can uninstall any applications installed from Microsoft Store. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial helpful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.